Big step for the S2K. Do you see that? There's no intercooler for now. Sorry, bro.
That fat ass was snacking. Wanna be blue collar looking ass. Ow.
She hasn't been started in over 2 weeks. Okay. That's not good. Hold on. If it goes out, it's out. Okay. Moment of truth. Bro, I'm not putting that on the video.
You know it's true.
Okay. That has no power at all. No crank. Okay, let me finish this. Okay.
Oh, so it's totaled. Look, yeah, you got snow in there. It's totaled.
Well, we gotta give it a minute to warm up now.
That sounded healthy.
Oh yeah. First try. Oh yeah. Gotta be safe. Only one working headlight. This should make it there, right? It's like, let's check the tire thread. That's bad. We also got our alignment off. The alignment's off. It's pretty bad. The subs are disconnected. Stop working. Okay, we're about to head out. This is day one. We're literally just getting the car in. Here's the full kit. We got the intake, intercooler, headers, everything you need in here. The actual turbo should be in here. Yeah, there it is. Greddy turbo kit, a heater, because there's no heating in that garage. So yeah, we're done, just about ready to go. I just cleared the back window just a little bit up, and yeah, there's still a lot on here. Welcome to BMW. But yeah, I haven't driven this thing in months, or like a month, but yeah, we're about to head out. We got some snow right here, and we're out. This is me, my last time driving this thing natural. I literally can't see anything right now. My alignment is off. Like you see my steering wheel, but yeah, I literally can't see anything. Last pull before it's turbo. Let's hear that crispy rev match. Ice everywhere.
Actually, I was flying in fast one time and I scraped a little.
Really?
But if you go slow, it should be fine.
Oh, I'm chilling here.
Yeah, I think you'll make it.
The right headlight is tweaking.
Is it? Oh, damn. Battery's dead.
You gotta fail.
Uh-oh. Should have left it on.
The beast lost his juice.
It started up just fine.
Let me go.
Feed
get
it a white monster.
I have a S2K battery charging.
Oh, really?
Like an extra one, yeah.
Wait, what do you mean?
Well, looks like this thing doesn't want to start for some reason. We had to push it because Alex's freaking battery died.
Shoot. Did you introduce David?
I don't know if David, do you want to get introduced?
Sure.
Big shout out to David.
I'm David Bavidenko.
He's also got an S2K.
He too has an S2K.
It's also disabled.
Some about Hondas, they're not reliable at all. But yeah. On the ball?
And on the toolbox.
This is David's car.
Okay.
Look at that fitment, bro. He's
Don't get the
slammed.
bacon fenders in.
Yeah. No fender. Ooh, no fenders.
It's pretty clean.
Yeah, look how clean it is.
Absolutely beautiful.
Damn, the red looks a lot darker on camera. Brighten it.
I drove it yesterday in the snow, and now there's like salt all over it.
TS hella tough.
No, like you know how they spray the de-icer?
Oh, yeah.
I gotta wash it out before it starts rusting.
Yours always looks lower than I remember.
Well, because it's
Yes.
wheels off and then lowered it all the way.
That's true. Show him the steering wheel.
Yeah. Way better than Alex's.
All right, she's gonna be safe in David's garage. I just gave him the keys, and yeah, it's all David's for now. This thing, the alignment is off, so yeah, I did end up ditching it. A couple weeks ago, but we made it here, and yeah, this is gonna be the last time it's gonna be natural.
Joy rides for days.
Get it started, then you can drive it. But yeah.